Hello, hello! Marhaba! Again, hello and welcome to my vlog. So again, gagawa po tayo ulit sa panibago natin video for today. Ang ating steak with the garlic mushroom sauce and a side dish of vegetables, of course. So, any choice of vegetable sided naman, pwede naman yan kahit ano, kahit broccoli, mashed potatoes. But for me, since this is available in my kitchen, so nag-grate of course, rice for me. Pinoy tayo eh. Alright, here it is. Ang kailangan natin is beef strip loin. So, any steak, rib eye, filet mignon. So, pwede naman natin yun. Nasa inyo po yun. Kung ano yung available sa atin. Of course, yan ang mga ginamit kong vegetables with a fresh white mushroom. Ayun na siya. So, sinisan ko lang siya for the salt and pepper. And then, of course, the same side. Ang gagawin natin. So, yan. I use Himalayan pink salt. But you can use the regular salt or the table salt. Of course, sinutay ko muna para mas malambot yung ating vegetables. Ayan, added with the green peppers. So, added flavors yan. And the butter, of course. And yan. So, salt and pepper for taste. And of course, the same pan. So, one pan meal lang gagawin natin. Sa same pan, nilagyan ko na siya ng konting oil pa para maluto yung beef natin. Of course, lastly, yung lulutuin din natin dyan is yung ating sauce. Ayan. So, nag-add lang tayo ng butter and garlic. Of course, the rosemary for additional herb flavors. Of course. So, masarap yan. So, don't skip that. So, we're going to make a flambe techniques. So, the flambe techniques usually, they using an alcohol. But for me, since wala tayong alcohol, so, gumamit na lang tayo nung ating oil. So, additional flavor din yan. Of course, again, the same pan. So, saute natin ang ating garlic na ginamit kanina or yung natira dun sa ating beef. And then, smash it. Of course, additional flavor. Napakasarap niya, promise. So, yung ating white mushroom. And of course, ang ating flour. So, add lang tayo ng flour for the thickening agent. Of course, add soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste. So, yan. Pwede natin siya lagyan ng bouillon. So, beef bouillon, mas masarap siya. So, yan. Voila. So, meron na tayo. Nakapag-rest na rin ng ating steak. So, as of this moment, ikakat ko siya into strip. And of course, this is my two ways. So, yung isa, wala siya talagang sauce. So, which is for baba. For me, is garlic mushroom sauce. Of course, ang sarap-sarap kaya niyan. And yun lamang po. Thank you so much again, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to like, follow, and share this video. And yun lamang po. Thank you so much again. And see you for the next vlog. And masalama. Bye.